Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video I'm going to explain an additional icon within icon set number 5 that was added to the G Suite in 2018, specifically within Google Docs. So with that being said, let's get started. So the new icon is the image icon. If I left click on image, I can then upload or insert an image into my Google Doc from a variety of sources. I could upload it from the computer that I'm working on. I could search from the web, which would allow me to search for images from here and then insert them. Or I could insert images using Google Drive, which allows me to select items I have saved in that particular application. Or I could select Google Photos, and within Google Photos, I could select items to insert. I could also do it by URL. So if I have the web address of an image that I want to insert, I can paste that image into my document and then click the Insert button, and my image will appear. Finally, I could insert images through using the camera tool that might be available on my device. So if I click on camera, I have already allowed it to access the camera in my device, but there would have been a little box saying allow Google Docs to access camera. I could then press on this button in order to take the picture and then insert it. Otherwise, this is just an overview of how images can be inserted into Google Docs. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.